everyone, it's Rachel and I'm with the Sephora and JCPenney education team, and I want to talk to y'all today about how to do an at-home facial. It's really simple and easy, just a few steps, and all you need is 20 to 30 minutes. So really with this at-home facial, it's a great way to wind down, it's a great Mother's Day activity, or maybe just kind of refresh your skin with all of those virtual happy hours and meetings that you might be having. So without further ado, let's get started. Right, so step one of your mini facial is going to be to cleanse. So I'm going to use the Waso by Shiseido Quick Gentle Cleanser. Now this one is great because this one is going to help to remove any makeup that you have on, but it's also super soft and gentle and keeps my skin nice and hydrated. Now with this, I'm going to use about this much cleanser, so I would say about a dime size, and you want to massage it onto your skin when it's dry. Yes, believe it or not, you want to massage this onto your skin when it's dry. It'll start to foam up, and then you want to go ahead and rinse. Okay, so now that my skin is nice and clean, I'm going to go into step two, which is to mask. Now the mask that I chose today is from Ulla Henriksen, and it's the Fat Glow Facial. The reason I chose this mask is because it's going to help to gently exfoliate any of the dead skin cells off my skin and just leave my skin looking glowy and radiant and hydrated. So you want to use a few pumps and gently massage all over the face until it goes from this beautiful pink color to white. So just like so. Okay, so when you're applying your mask, again, rub it in until it goes from that beautiful pink color to white. Now you want to let this sit for about 15 minutes. And also be sure to avoid the eye area, so just stop that mask right around the orbital bone. And if you want a little extra, put a little bit down on your neck too. So now I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so let's remove the mask. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to use my warm washcloth again. You can also rinse it with warm water. Okay, so next step is going to be your moisturizer. Now to continue this glow trend, I'm going to use the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. This will definitely give your skin a little bit of a glow. Also helps to kind of gently exfoliate. So I'm going to use about, I don't know, like a dime size. Rub that in my fingertips, warm it up. Now again, this is your at-home facial, so don't skip out on the massaging. Really take some time to massage into the skin, just like if you were getting a facial. And focus on kind of massaging upwards against gravity, right? Up the neck, around the cheekbones and up the cheekbones, and really just work it in. I love to spend a little bit of extra time when I'm doing my moisturizer because it is just such a peaceful and kind of tranquil time. Just take a little moment for you. And you can start to see that glow really popping on the skin. Okay, but this glow, I mean, holy moly. Okay, last step, which honestly is probably one of the most important steps because we did so much exfoliation on our skin, we definitely want to make sure that we're wearing an SPF. Anytime that you exfoliate, really anytime you're going anywhere, you want to wear SPF. So I'm going to use Peter Thomas Roth Instant Mineral SPF 45. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. The reason I want to use this one is I actually love just how light and easy it is because the sunscreen is a powder. And I can just dust this right on top. It doesn't take away any of that glow that I just got from my facial and my moisturizer. Plus, because we want to make sure we want to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, what easier way than just with a little powder? Kind of dust that on and you're good to go. Okay, well that was your mini facial that you can do at home. I hope y'all have enjoyed. Now, don't forget to tune back in on Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. because Alejandra will be taking you through a yoga routine that you can do in the great outdoors.